Every year after your half-yearly and final examinations, there is a prize distribution ceremony. The children who had performed meritoriously well are awarded prizes on that day. Similarly, Nobel Prize is awarded if something extraordinary is done by someone. So today's topic of GK session is all about Nobel Prize, page number 18 and 19 of your books. What is the Nobel Prize? The Nobel Prize is the most prestigious award in the world. It is a set of annual international awards awarded to people and organizations for outstanding contribution to mankind in their respective fields. Now the question arises, who started this tradition? This tradition of annual awards was started by Alfred Nobel. He wrote in his will that his vast fortune was to be used to create annual prizes for those who give the greatest benefit to mankind. Today, the Nobel Committee, set up by Alfred Nobel, administers these awards. You can see the picture of Alfred Nobel here. What is the prize? The Nobel Prize is a gold medal, a diploma, and a sum of money decided by the Nobel Foundation. It is awarded every year on 10th of December, the day Alfred Nobel died. There are different categories for a Nobel Prize award. The Nobel Prize is awarded in the following: physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, economics, and peace. There is a selection and awarding process for this. The Nobel Committee follows these simple steps for selecting and awarding the Nobel Prize: request nominations, receive nominations, evaluate and shortlist, review process, final selection, and the award. Step 1. In September, the Nobel Committee prepares or receives nominations in different fields. Step 2. The committee receives nominations from its nominators. Step 3. With the help of experts, the nominations are shortlisted. Step 4. This step includes exchange of reports and recommendations with the Swedish Academy. Step 5. In October, the laureates are chosen through majority votes by the committee members. Step 6. The Nobel laureates receive their awards at a ceremony that takes place in Stockholm in December every year. The first exercise says, answer these simple questions to know more about the Nobel Prize awards. Number 1. How many Nobel Prizes are currently awarded each year? So the answer is 6. Number 2. When the Nobel Prize was established in 1901, there were only 5 awards. Which award was added in 1968? The answer is economics. Number 3. Name the country where the Nobel Prizes are awarded and also where Alfred Nobel was born. The name of the country is Sweden. Number 4. From what invention did Alfred Nobel make his fortune? The answer is dynamite. In your Info Bytes section, it is written, Alfred Nobel invented the dynamite used in wars. One day, an obituary note was wrongly published in the newspaper, which read that the man who invented ways to kill other people died yesterday. Alfred Nobel was worried to read this, that the world would remember him this way. So he decided to institute these awards so that the world would remember him in good light. Number 5. Name the youngest recipient of the Nobel Prize till date. The answer is Malala Yousafzai. Number 6. Name the women scientist who was awarded the Nobel Prize for both physics and chemistry. The answer is Marie Curie. Number 7. Name the first Indian to be awarded the Nobel Prize for Economics. The answer is Amartya Sen. Number 8. Name the British Prime Minister who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1953. The answer is Winston Churchill. In the next exercise, the question says, can you identify these Nobel laureates? Write the correct letter in each box. Here you can see the pictures of various people who have received the Nobel Prize, and at the bottom you can see the names written. So you have to match the picture with the correct name. The first picture is of a person who had received the Nobel Prize for Physics and Chemistry. The answer is Marie Curie, that is option C. Here in front of the picture there is a box in which you will write option C. The second picture is of a person who had received the Nobel Prize for Peace. The person is Kofi Annan. The option is D. The third picture is of a very famous personality which all of you must be knowing. He had got the Nobel Prize for Peace. His name is Barack Obama, that is option H. So in the box given you will write H. The fourth picture is of a person who had received the Nobel Prize for Literature. The name of the person is Rudyard Kipling. In the box you will write option A. Number 5 is the picture of a person who had received the Nobel Prize for Physics. He is C.V. Raman. In the box you will write option F. Number 6 is a picture of a person who had received the Nobel Prize for Peace, and the person is Aung San Suu Kyi. The option is E. In the box given you will write E. Number 7 is a person who had received the Nobel Prize for Literature. The person is V.S. Naipaul, and the correct option in the box should be G. You will write G in the box given. Number 8 is a person who had received the Nobel Prize for Peace, and the person is Malala Yousafzai, that is option B. I would like to add here that in 2014, when Malala Yousafzai got the Nobel Prize for Peace, she was only 17 years of age. Here we come to the end of today's session. See you soon in the next class. Till then, take care.